Hey there, Bikram Shrestha here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Kinemaster on your mobile phone. Now let's take a look at the mobile screen. So first thing first, go to Google and type Kinemaster mode in the Google searching bar and hit the search button. Once you do that, you will see so many Kinemaster links to download, but here you have to find out the correct Kinemaster APK with mentioned no watermark and the fully unlocked link. So scroll a little bit down and you will find the correct Kinemaster mode APK version downloading link. So before I proceed to downloading process, I would like to inform you that this is an alternative of Kinemaster premium version, which means modified or cracked APK. It is the same as Kinemaster Pro, so there is no any differences between them. Okay, let's get into the point now. So just hit the link and scroll the page. So here you will find 5 to 6 Kinemaster versions, but you have to download 4.14 versions, which you will see in first. So just hit the first downloading option. Once you do that, you might get application warning message, but don't worry guys, I have been using the same version app since I started my YouTube journey, so you don't have to be worried. Now just tap on OK and wait until it downloaded to your phone. Once you finish downloading it, just go to mobile homepage and click on Kinemaster app. So this app asks you to give permission, so just give the permission and tap on the start button, and then you are good to go. Now you can edit your video without watermark in 4K. You can also use many effects for free and many more. So that's it guys, just follow these steps and download the Kinemaster app easily. I hope this video helped you download this free version Kinemaster mode APK without facing any problem. Thanks for watching, see you next.